tax season is just around the corner, and with the coronavirus pandemic, there could be some questions you have before you file. So joining us with more information is Tony King from King and Associates. It's great to see you, but as I said in the break, I miss seeing you in person.
Thank you. Yes, it's good to be here. Good to be here.
Well,
Yeah, we're about to start another very busy tax season. I mean, most of the taxpayers just were recovering from the Tax Act of 2017 and 2018, and now here comes the CARES Act right behind it.
It's crazy how slow and how fast this year went at the very same time, especially when it comes to taxes because of the extended deadline. So a lot of people are wondering right now, they didn't get their stimulus checks directly into their account. Instead, do they need to file additional paperwork with their taxes?
Well, if you did not receive any of there were two stimulus payments during 2020. If you didn't receive any of those, and also there's another one, there's some coming out now in 2021, you are entitled to a recovery rebate, okay? When you file your 2020 tax return, there's an additional form that you can apply for the stimulus checks that you did not get in 2020. Also, let me just say quickly that the IRS tax season opens up on February 12th. It's about 2 to 3 weeks late this year.
Oh boy, no kidding.
So we are encouraging to file early and file electronically. Based on this late start date for the IRS, most taxpayers won't see direct deposit refunds until like the first or second week of March. So, you need to file early. But this time last year, people were filing and people were getting their refund checks and refund direct deposits by the first week of February.
Yeah, so usually the deadline to get your W-2s or any of your paperwork is the end of January. Has that been extended as well because of this IRS extension?
No, and that has not. No. The reason the IRS extended the filing season to February 12th is because, if you recall, the most recent legislation wasn't passed until December 27th.
Mm-hmm.
And the IRS needed weeks and weeks and weeks to retool its systems to incorporate those December 27th tax law changes.
So for people who did get their stimulus checks, do they have to count that as part of income?
No, none of the stimulus payments are taxable income. Also, it will not affect any of your eligibility for any federal financial aid or assistance, food stamps, things like that. So it does not count as taxable income at all. But now I will say, taxpayers should not confuse the $600 stimulus checks with the $600 added unemployment benefits, because remember, the federal government kicked in and gave everybody an extra $600 a week on top of whatever unemployment benefits that the state was paying them. Now that part is taxable. So I just want the taxpayers to make sure they understand the difference between the $600 stimulus payments and the $600 extended federal unemployment benefits. Those are taxable, but the stimulus payments are not taxable.
And look, this is just the beginning of our weekly chats when it comes to tax season. We have so much more to cover, especially when it comes to those unemployment benefits and for folks losing their jobs. So we're going to catch back in with you guys every week. King and Associates. Tony, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
My pleasure. Thank you.